I am the seer. My eyes are always open. I am the seer. Small heart of kindness can go a long way to bless you. I see those things, those container on the tree. If you can get container like this, if you can get container like this, put them on the tree. Use something like net to attach them to a tree. Pour water inside. If once you do this by special grace of Almighty God, you will notice how people will be blessing you. Once you put this water on the tree, at any time any bird drink from the water, a particular blessing will be given to you. Universe will bless you just like they will drink from that water. That is how unexpected help will be coming from you. So the universe has way it operates. That's just it. What goes around comes around. Anytime you help, see, this thing is very simple, but very, very effective. If you can actually do this on a tree, anytime a bird drink from this water, you will be blessed more than your expectation. Especially dry season, bird has this. Birds normally suffer to get water to drink. So if you can be doing this, anyway, you see tree, whether being at home or in the bush, and you can put water for birds to drink, believe me, the blessing is more than you ever imagine. See, this thing might look very simple for you, but very, very effective. Try this and get back to me.